In a flood-battered district, Maya Chen rebuilt a failing bakery into a data-driven delivery hub that cut waste and boosted margins. She interviewed logistics workers, tested microdeliveries, and stitched together cheap sensors to predict flour shortages before ovens cooled. In exclusive interviews, she shares how bootstrapped cash, late-night gigs, and community partnerships funded her pivot. The audience learns the breakthrough, partnering with a university for a lean AI menu optimizer that predicts demand and reduces spoilage. Lessons emerge about resilience, experimentation, and building a brand that serves neighbors while proving scalable grit.